For the first time since this area was subdivided 65 years ago, 11 King Albert Road, Trigg Point is coming to the market. From what was once a sleepy little backwater hidden behind imposing sand dunes accessed only by dirt roads, the area has developed over that 65 years into one of Perth's most exclusive and prized beachside locations. The property, now surrounded by multi-million-dollar homes, is situated in a small but very unique enclave, unlike any other found anywhere else along the Perth coastline. With less than 100 metres to walk, you're on the sand of some of Perth's finest beaches, with surf, swimming and paddling pools in abundance. Follow these pristine beaches to the south, you discover arguably the best surf breaks and patrolled swimming areas all the way to Scarborough Beach, now a very popular entertainment and dining precinct. And returning back from the beach, stop in for a coffee or have a gourmet meal at the area's finest cafe and restaurant not a stone's throw away from home. The canteen, outdoor casual and delicatessen delights on the go, or dine in at the 4-star a la carte market restaurant. Walk north from the property and you discover as beautiful a selection of sheltered rock pools and sandy beaches as you could hope for. Trigg Pool, the Nuns Pool, the Boat Beach, the Dog Beach, Benyon Beach and further to Metton's Pool, all within a maximum of 850 metres from home. These normally tranquil beach pools are so close that any family of any age can walk to, swim and enjoy these right on your doorstep. And for the jewel in the crown, the view from the second floor of the future home is unsurpassed. Nowhere along the entire length of the Perth coastline will you find a site with such an unparalleled and breathtaking view. A 180-degree, unobstructed panorama sees Fremantle and southern beaches to the south, past Rottnest Island on the horizon, to Hillary's Boat Harbour and beaches to the north, plus all the boating activity the Perth seascape has to offer. 50 metres from the property is Clarko Reserve, a groomed parkland with picnic, barbecue and play areas that hosts bi-weekly markets and a variety of other community activities. And as for traffic, well, there isn't any. The stream of traffic on the Coast Highway is diverted inland both north and south of King Albert Road, thus creating the exclusive enclave locally referred to as Trigg Point. With no through roads and access for local traffic only, it makes beach access virtually traffic-free. The Trigg Point area is within a short drive to all the amenities anyone could want. Private and state schools, one of Perth's largest shopping malls, just a 5-minute drive, 2 supermarkets, 4 minutes and 7 minutes respectively, and a further great selection of dining and cafe options. And need to go further? Well, access to Perth's major freeway network is only an 8-minute drive away. Finally, access for Trigg Bushland Reserve just 15 metres away, with kilometres of walking trails throughout. So whether it's beach or bush, or just viewing West Australia's spectacular sunsets from your new home at 11 King Albert Road, this property and location is an extremely rare find.